Nobody likes a boss. Am I right? Because you have power. You have a power and you are utilizing the power for your benefit, and you are using people, and nobody likes to be used. But when you start giving power to other people, they'll start loving you. Because giving power is giving love. You become responsible. So when you start giving power, people start liking you. And they will do whatever you think before you think, and it will happen. That's a power to power. अपने आप से होने लगता है. Intuitive बोलता है. Now as a player, what happens when I give the example of the instrument and a player. As a player, when I'm stressed, what happens to me? I am separate as a player. I have an instrument to be played, and then I'm stressed that how it will happen. What will people understand? If they don't understand, they'll appreciate, they won't appreciate. I have more questions, and that's why I have stress. But if I just love my music and play my music, the music will come out wonderful. Now what has happened? The player and the instrument have become one. There are no two. दोनों एक बज के साथ बार आ रही है. Now the limitation of a player is only 7 suits. सारे गमा पदा निसा. Your work is also limited. You have XYZ work only. But how he plays different ragas from the same 7 suits. That is creativity. And the creativity flows when you are silent. When you are silent, you are connected. And silence in the mind first. First you have to connect with yourself. Now as a player, you have many roles. As a father, you have a role. As a mother, you have a role. As a sister, you have a role. As a professional, you have a role. Every role. And you are carrying every role, there is a stress. Everywhere there is a stress. So you are stressed all the time. Which is the time you are not stressed? When you are sleeping. You are not stressed. So why you are not stressed when you are sleeping? Mind is relaxed. So if we do the same activity with a relaxed mind, so that is being aware. Being aware is keeping the mind relaxed and doing the activity. You can see the activity and you can do the activity. You can see yourself and the activity, you doing the activity. That is living meditatively. Living with awareness. Living with awareness. So every time whatever you are doing, you are just aware and you enjoy. The happiness and joy is the expression of your mental and physical thing towards the your activity, towards the object you are using. And that expression will come to you and you will give the same expression to that product. So very purely the productivity will increase. Now how many hours you have for the production? Whatever you are doing. How many hours you have? 24. It's कितना सोचते हो 24 घंटे के लिए? You have only 24 hours. नहीं, but do we need that much sleep? How much we sleep for 8 hours almost?
For 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours. Do we need that kind of sleep? We are so much tired mentally and thinking we are tired, and that's why we want to sleep. But actual sleep happens only for 2 hours. Actual sleep where the mind is relaxed. And mostly it is between the body. हाँ? Body needs rest. Body के लिए अलग है. Body के लिए 6 hours enough है. Maximum.
So the productivity is the remaining 18 hours only.
हाँ, तो 18 hours में हम लोग कितने productive हैं? How much time we are wasting in 18 hours? More than half. Actually, in the office also, if you are working for 8 hours, you are not working for 8 hours. But actually, most of the time, you are doing a mechanical job. So mechanical job में तुमको बहुत stress नहीं होता है, because it's something which you just have to do. So actually that is not working. But creatively, when something new comes up, and how do you handle it, how do you deal with it, it doesn't happen. So most of the time nowadays it's more because WhatsApp बहुत परेशान करता है. So when you are working, it's somebody else's time who has hired your time, and you are WhatsApping somebody. You are forwarding, which is somebody else's time. So you're not doing justice to the time. And for your WhatsApp or for your Facebook, somebody else is paying for it. At the end, you say that I am tired. You're tired doing what? So productivity doesn't happen most of the time. You waste a lot of time. And whose time? Is it your time or company's time? It's your time. It's your time also. Because you never valued your time, that's why you're wasting. Now for that, when you don't value your time, you're stressful also. You're stressful because you didn't finish your work in so much hour. But if you are aware, you will be finishing the same work which you finish in 6 hours, you'll be able to finish within 4 hours or maybe 3.5 hours or maybe 3 hours. So you have more time to learn and give more production. It doesn't happen with us. And then for rest, we say no, nothing doing, now I'm going to rest. And we enjoy the resting. Here we don't enjoy the rest because again we have stressed because the work is not complete. And when the work is not complete, it was I who was responsible for that time. I did not manage my time properly. Share you a story. There was one actor. He was playing a role of Rana Pratap. And every time he used to come out of after the play, he used to come out to the green room and that makeup man used to say, "Chalo, kapda de do abhi, nikalo." And the Rana Pratap used to be packed in the box. घर पे आता था. One day he comes out of after the show and that assistant बोलता है कि कपड़े दे दो. And he says, "What kapde? You know whom you are talking to." He got into the role. You know whom you are talking to, and he slaps him. This guy doesn't know what to do, and he with the Rana Pratap dress, he goes out. He takes a bus, and the conductor comes, ticket. He said, "You know whom you are talking to? This is my country. This is this thing," and he slaps him also. So driver was a smart guy. So he said what to do. So after all the stops, all the people got down. He went to one place and he said, "Chittor, Chittor aa gaya, Chittor aa gaya." This guy got down. Because he was totally into the role. This is how we are living, as somebody. We are not putting the character again into the box and changing the roles at time. We carry the roles all over. Because we carry our personalities which we are acting in to the other places where we have to shift the roles now. We do not play our roles well. That's what I mean to say. It's 100%. We carry it. We have to drop every time, whatever role we play. So we carry the burden of being somebody. And when we do that, we do not enjoy the present moment. The awareness of the present moment, the bliss of the present moment, the happiness of the present moment, we miss that. Because we are stressed. And stressed for what? Just one thought which somebody gave you and you took it. And now you think that it is me because you relate the thought with your personality, with your physical quality or your physical being or physical identity as a body or as a dress. Like I tell her that you are wearing a bad dress and she doesn't like it and she's feeling bad and she goes out and she keeps on telling, अच्छा आदमी नहीं है, वो कौन है मेरे कपड़े को. अभी कपड़ा अलग चीज है, आप अलग चीज है. You have to understand who you are at that time. Are you the cloth? And I said something about your cloth. You don't have to feel bad about it. It's okay. It was my view. And every time the opinions and views we are fighting for. And we carry that because we buy it. Accepting and agreeing to the statements creates conflicts in us. If you say something and I agree to it, then I agree to it without analyzing within me, not comparing with somebody else. Without analyzing within me, it's going to create conflict within me. And that conflict keeps on. So agreement gives us the problem. Because I bought. When I agree, means I bought the statement. You may be right, you may be wrong. Maybe you are right according to me and we gel with some thoughts together that okay, ये thought तुम्हारा मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचती हूँ. We think on the same line with it. We say. So we buy the thoughts. So agreement gives us the problem. wherever you go, somebody tells you something and you agree. You agree means you bought the thought. And you're stressed because of that.
So real peace comes when you agree to disagree.
Agree to disagree. Very true. The real peace comes in when you agree to disagree. And you analyze that within. Is this real? How does it go with me? How does it go with everybody? And then you come to the statement, okay, let me know more. Because that will be the answer. Let me know more. So you will be again a student to learn on that subject. You won't close yourself, you will open up more. Hardworking people are rich people. Hardworking, stressed people. When you work hard, you have money. When you are stressed because you have money and you work for money, so you are stressed and you work hard for money. So hardworking and stressed people are rich people. So why the rich people are stressed and poor are less stressed?
What is richness?
Then most of the people, they say that because there is work, lot of hard work and वो stress लेना ही पड़ता है, नहीं तो पैसा नहीं आएगा. That is the people, they talk about this statement, they pass this statement. Otherwise how? So if the stress can give you money, or if the hard work can give you money, there are a lot of people who work hard, a lot of people who are stressed, they are not rich. They are not rich. So how?
Do you live with a person who is satisfied?
What is smart work?
Yeah.
Do you live with a person who is somebody who is satisfied?
Very rarely, this statement is a very rare that somebody is satisfied. Is everybody who is stressed or who is working hard is rich?
Rich people have stress, that is fine. But all stressed people are rich.
I'll tell you something, the rich people are less stressed. Because your desires, you keep on desiring. Because rich people will have a desire and he'll put people into the place. He will hire people who knows about that particular job and he'll gather 10 people and he will make a team. He's just a witness, he supervises. जहाँ पे लगता है कि he is not right, he does his job. So the quality of leadership comes when you are responsible. So rich person is a responsible person. The responsible person is not stressed. Because he has a time to go to a party also, he will enjoy everything. The other people, they take the stress and they don't enjoy every moment. Because instead of putting time into the, they start working. काम चालू कर देते हैं. They get stressed. When they work in stress, they do not complete their job, plus they do not do it perfectly. So they don't divide the stress they don't align everything. So that Ichha Shakti, then Jnana Shakti and Kriya Shakti. That's a tuning. So when somebody tells you, now it becomes my Ichha. So I am responsible. Now I'll collect the knowledge about that. Now I'll act. So ये flow नहीं होता है. I start acting. Then I keep on telling somebody, how do I go about it? How do I go about it? Tell me. I look for the shortcuts. There is a saying, if you want to do something, catch the lazy man. Because he will ask somebody kaisa karne ka and he does it. So he won't do any research. Most of the time we are lazy people. We want to ask somebody and we do it. So for the leaders, it is very important. Because they will never become a leader in life. So in playing somebody, we always miss the life. Now what is stress? Again, it's life itself. What we are resisting to is life only. Every activity, you stress about the activity. Now that activity is also part of your life. So what we are resisting, your life is resisting to the life. So there will be a conflict. The conflict will be there, always. And when the conflict comes, your mind is switched off. It's confused. It can't take decision. When it can't take decisions, it goes into a problem. When it is into a problem, it gets into a quarrel, fight. So the complete physical system is disturbed now. So now you are sick. Because your physical system, because of your stress, your physical system is gone. So again come back to that fight, understand the fight, come back to the problem, understand the duality, and then come back to the situation, you go back again to the situation, understand the situation, you will see that there was never a problem. It was just the decision making which was lacking, which was because of my understanding. I'll tell you something. Our problem is we try to give happiness to others. We spend most of our life giving happiness to others, but actually we cannot give happiness to anybody. We feel that we are doing everything to keep the other person happy. I feel I am doing something to keep Rupa happy. Rupa feels that she is doing all her activity to keep the kids happy. But are they really happy with what you are doing? Or are you doing?
Keep everybody happy.
You cannot keep anybody happy. Because if you are doing for somebody's happiness, you are going wrong over there, because do it for your happiness. Because you like to give service. See, that's that. Another thing, we think that happiness is something which God gives us. You are part of Him. You are part of the consciousness. So He cannot give you happiness at all. Because He has not given you dukh also. So He cannot give you happiness also. So you are part of Sat Chit Ananda. So He Himself is happy and witness. His Chitta, His Ananda, is everything. So He cannot give you anything. The concept is you are part of Him, so you are already there. Only thing you are not aware of it. And in search of a happiness, we miss the happiness. Because there is nothing to search about. The seeking itself is a wrong word. There is no seeking, because you already seek. Only thing you have to be aware of that. You cannot find God because you are there. You cannot find Him. So you create an image about God in your image, but He has not created any image. Because if He creates the image, there will be so many images He will be creating. Because every atom, every cell, everything is part of Him. So कितने image create करेगा? Now if you think that a dog का भी भगवान हो सकता है, a dog can have a god. Imagine क्या होगा? You'll see more bandits on the road. You can imagine why human being is doing that. Just because he is conditioned to think in that way. And many times after knowing this also, we still do the same thing. Because the conditioning is so deep, we cannot remove Him out of our life. We talk about Advaita and we do everything which is Dvaita. Opposite. Everything. Ulta. But when we talk intelligently. You see, any Swamiji on this thing, what he talks and what he preaches is two different things. He knows the subject. He is knowledgeable. But the practice, no. Because he thinks he is teaching somebody. When you share something with other people, you are sharing with yourself. That thing has to come. It's not necessary you should know everything. It's wonderful. If you don't know, it's fine. अगर उनको कोई भी प्रश्न पूछा, उसको जवाब मालूम है. That psychologically we are sick. Actually, we just play games with ourselves, with our mind. And just to tell them that we are spiritual, now we have understood. You just have to witness, that's all. You can see everything is going on. There is nothing else. Just be witness. Because anything which is coming up, it's going away. Nothing is going to be permanent. Not even the body. But we think we are somebody, and that's why the ego comes up. Because we relate everything to the body. I'll just tell you another story. There was one wood cutter, and on the border of the jungle he used to chop woods. So once Swamiji saw him and he said, "Bacha, how much you'll make out of this wood?" So he said, "For one day my kharcha will be handled." So he said, "Why don't you go deeper into the wood? It's up to you. I just suggest you, and you will be able to earn something like, in a day you will be able to earn for a week." So he said, he's an enlightened guy, so I should listen to him, and he wrote. And next day he went to the deeper jungles and he saw the woods, they were sandalwood trees. So he said, yes, Swamiji was so right. Then one day he can earn for 1 week. So he started chopping sandalwood. In the evening he came back and he said thank you to Swamiji, He said, you gave me advice, now I'm richer. So he said, can I give you more suggestion? Why don't you go more deeper into the jungle? Then you will be able to make money. In one day, you will be able to make 1 month ka paisa. So he said, okay, I'll do that. So total surrender. He went again. Next day, he went deeper, and he saw there were mines. There were mines over there, and copper mine. So he said, lovely. So he made something which is for a month. Next day again he came to say thanks. So Swamiji told him, don't worry, you can become more richer. In one day you can earn 1 year ka paisa. You can earn so much in one day. He said, how? So he said, go more deeper into the jungle. So he went more deeper into the jungle. Then he saw silver mine. And he said, so true. He came again and he again bowed to him and he said, you really made my life. I'm not at all stressful. Now life is beautiful. So he said that there is more suggestion. You go more deeper. And more deeper he sees a golden mine. He says, go more deeper. Now he went again more deeper. He saw diamond mines. He came back. Then he started thinking that he knows so much. Why he is sitting on the border of the jungle and meditating over there? So he came and he asked him that, Swamiji, I have one question. You know everything, but still you are meditating over here. He said, whatever is there, it's physical. You will earn for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, but you will lose something, that is peace. Now I know everything and I can work. I can get money for 10 years, but I want the peace. I am looking for eternal peace. So I am sitting here and meditating for my eternal peace. So you should balance the life with the internal and external, which I do. So that's why I sit on the border, and whenever I want something, I go deeper, come back and again be with myself. We do not balance our life in the way. Either we are on the other side or we are too much on this side. Because if we are too much spiritual also, we are useless. And too much money or commercial or always think about, we are stressed. Till we are not balanced, we will be stressed. Whenever you are searching for happiness, you are working on desires. And every desire will not give you happiness. Any desire will not give you happiness because it will give you pleasures. Because happiness, when you are searching outside of you, when you are trying to give somebody, they are all desires. You are not giving happiness. Happiness you are getting. So you cannot keep anybody happy on this earth. Even God cannot keep happy, so you can't keep happy. But psychologically you feel that you made him happy, but you just fulfill one desire of that person. You made that person dependent by giving him something. You took away his responsibility. You took away his powers. You took away his ability to do something on his own because you helped somebody. Are you getting? Even with your children you are doing that. So don't live a good life, live a godly life. And godly life is being responsible. We are growing, when we are going materialistic, we are growing horizontal. And when we are growing spiritually, we are going vertical. So we have to grow like a tree in all the areas. We have to spread ourselves everywhere, like this and like this. Then you are balanced. But if you only grow like this, then you will live a stressful and a very animal-like life, where you're just there. You're useless for everybody. You think that paise wala banunga, bachcho ko kaam aayega, nothing. Yesterday we shared something. Somebody said that why you are working so hard, for whom you are making so much money. He said, for my children. So have you asked children what they want? So he said, I'll go and ask child. Somebody else went and asked, but I don't want father. I don't care about his money, I don't care about anything, because he is a problem to my life. Because we interfere, because we think the life is like this, and money will buy happiness, and we think that we are making money for our children. No, you are making it for yourself, so enjoy it, celebrate it. Make it. I don't say don't make it. You have to make as much as you can, but you have to enjoy that. We do not celebrate what we have, and we think we are doing for our further generation. Which generation who is enjoying the money?